Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 9th. I hope so, inshallah, you will be good and in best condition of your health and iman. Today, I am here with you with lesson number 3, the use of had. In my previous video, we learned about the use of has and have. Here, we will learn about had. Had is used for past tense, possession in past. Had is used with all subjects I, we, they, you, plural noun, he, she, it, and singular noun. In positive sentences, for example, I had a book, we will use the simple formation subject plus had plus object. In negative sentences, here we will use two kind of formulas. The first one is simple but old, and the second one is modern formation of use of had. Subject plus had plus no plus object. Subject plus did not plus have plus object. Here we are using have because we are using did, and did is the second form of verb which represent past. In interrogative sentences, we will use had plus subject plus object and question mark. It is simple but old formation, and the modern formation is did plus subject plus have plus object and question mark. Don't forget to put question mark at the end of interrogative questions. Let's start the translation of the sentences which are provided us in this book. So, the first one sentence is किसान के पास दरांती ना थी. The farmer had no sickle. The farmer did not have a sickle. Here I am using both formulas for translating in English. तुम्हारे भाई के पास पिस्तौल ना था. Your brother had no a pistol. Your brother did not have a pistol. हमारे नौकर के पास बंदूक का लाइसेंस नहीं था. Our servant had no gun license. Our servant did not have a gun license. Here I used different spellings with S or with C. Both are correct. These are American and these are British. इनके पास एक नया हल था. They had a new plough. I always try that I use simple sentences which will better for you to learning. वो चले गए थे. They had gone. बारिश हुई थी. It rained. It had rained. Here we use it because when we discuss about weather, we use it. नन्ही के पास एक अजीब गुड़िया थी. नन्ही had a strange doll. असगर के पास कितने लट्टू थे. How many tops असगर had. How many tops did असगर have. हमारे पास कोई शिकारी कुत्ता ना था. We had no hunting dog. We did not have any hunting dog. क्या इस शहर का घंटा घर था. Had this city clock tower. Did this city have a clock tower. इस दरिया पर पुल क्यों ना था. Why had no bridge over this river. Why did not have there a bridge over this river. Why, okay, and also we can use here was. Why was not there a bridge over this river. Here I use there and there is represent for place. सिपाही वर्दी क्यों नहीं रखता था. Why did the soldier no uniform. Sorry, why had the soldier no uniform and why did not the soldier have a uniform. गार्ड के पास दो झंडियाँ थीं. द गार्ड हैड 2 फ्लैग्स. खिलाड़ियों के पास सामान ना था. द प्लेयर्स हैड नो लगेज और इक्विपमेंट. एंड इक्विपमेंट इज वेरी बेस्ट और बेटर फॉर यूजिंग हेयर. द प्लेयर्स डिड नॉट हैव एनी इक्विपमेंट. क्या इस गाय के सींग ना थे? Had this cow no horns? Did this cow not have horns? क्या जहाज में कोई मुसाफिर ना था? Had the plane no any passenger? Was there no passenger on the plane? आपके मकान का ताला ना था. Your house had no a lock. Your house did not have a lock. मेरे साइकिल के साथ घंटी ना थी. My bicycle had no a bell. My bicycle did not have a bell. स्कूल का चपरासी ना था. The school had no peon. There was no peon in the school. The school did not have a peon. I used here 3 formation for making sentence. The first one is representing had. The second one is representing the place and the third one is representing had also. स्कूल के दफ्तर में कायदे आज़म की बड़ी तस्वीर थी. The school office had a large picture of कायदे आज़म. There was a large picture of कायदे आज़म in the school office. If you like my video, then please stay connected. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn English with Uzma Hafiz.